Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate scopes in C++. Identifiers like variable and function need to be declared before their usage. Declaration location influence their scopes. Block contains statements between two curly braces. Identifier is unique in each block. Global scope versus local scope. Global variable declared outside of any block belong to global scope. It is available everywhere in the code. Here, or here. A local variable, on the other hand, declared inside a block and only visible from the declaration point until the end of the block. If an identifier has the same name but is in the inner block, its scope is local to this block, and this declaration hides the outer global scope one. This one and this one are different. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.